Hello, my friends. Hey, I am excited because this is Rob Rosa. Hopefully, your favorite real estate broker. And I am ready to do a home tour with you. So if you know anything about Connecticut real estate, you know, my friends, that we do not. That's right. I'm going to say it. You might not believe it, but all you need to do is reach out to me and I will show you the statistics. I will show you the numbers, but we do not have enough homes for sale. We still have plenty of buyers, but not enough homes. So this is a home for you. Plenty of buyers, but not enough homes. So this is a home for you, ready to move right in. That's right. You heard me. Ready to move right in. So what we're going to do is we are going to do a tour of this home, and I'm going to give you the statistics about it. Now, one of the nice things that I like about this home, and let me do a little bit of flip here, right, to flip the camera just from the start, is that this home, just to show you, is really set off from the road. So you're definitely set back and you don't have to worry about listening to any traffic. At the same time, you have a pretty big, large driveway here with plenty of parking. Now you can see this home has had many updates over the last few months. And we're talking about a brand new roof. Many updates over the last few months. And we're talking about a brand new roof, right? We're talking about a brand new furnace. We're talking about, hey, how's it going? Right? We're talking about a brand new air conditioning unit. We're talking about gleaming hardwood floors. So as you can see here, when you first walk in, you have yourself a coat closet here. And then as you walk in, it's open from the living room area, which is a beautiful, good sized living room with plenty of natural light. You have a big bay window there that's actually brand new. You have hardwood floors. And what that does is that leads actually right into the dining areas. Now, what's nice about the dining area is that it's open to the living area. Now, we have 3 bedrooms in this house. We have 2 full baths. We have hardwood floors, okay? We have somewhat of an updated kitchen. The tiling is newer, beautiful backsplash, right? You have a newer backsplash, right? You have a newer microwave there, stainless steel, okay? Beautiful tile floor. Now it's not, of course, not, okay? Beautiful tile floor. Now it's not, of course, not the hugest kitchen, but guess what? You have a double sink and you have a brand new window that looks out to the deck. Now this deck is going to be painted before closing, so you don't have to worry about that. And it's open to the dining area. So right now, maybe you don't have friends that are coming over for dinner and that sort of thing, but you know what's going to happen this fall, this winter, right? When it starts getting cold and everybody starts going back into their house. Well, you're going to have friends and family and they're going to want to come over here. And guess what? You are ready for them because you have plenty of area for entertaining. You have plenty of area for dining. You have plenty of natural sunlight coming in your home. You have central air conditioning along with the ceiling fan, okay? And so this is the main living level. This is a ranch home. It's all on one floor, single living. But you do have a finished lower level area. So right here, I'm not going to open it just for the sake of things, but that is another closet. So you have plenty of closet space. And look at how beautiful the tile is, right? With the tile is in the bath. okay, with the nice rain shower there. And then here is a beautiful new vanity, okay, gorgeous, in great condition, newer lighting fixtures, basically ready to move right in. Now on this main living level, according also here to the right, you have, open to the kitchen, right? And then you also have 2 bedrooms, okay? So 2 bedrooms with plenty of closet space, my friend. All right, no issues, right? And then on the main level as well, you have a 2nd bedroom, okay? Once again, good size, hardwood floors, ready basically to move right in. Now that's not all with this home. So I want hardwood floors, ready basically to move right in. Now that's not all with this home. So I want to show you. I showed you the main living level, right, with gleaming hardwood floors, beautiful living room with a big window. All the windows are brand new. The roof is newer. The furnace is newer. The central air conditioning is newer. The microwave is newer. There's been some basic updates to the kitchen as well, okay? So now I want to show you the lower level. Now this home on the 2-bath home, okay? So let's go down to the lower level, okay? We're going to take our time. And then first of all, on this lower level, you're going to see that we have the 3rd bedroom, okay? So that right there is for the heating system as far as the oil tank goes. But you do have a closet there, and you can see here plenty of lighting and a full bedroom right here. All right. Now, here is your laundry room. Brand new washer and dryer will be included in the sale of the home. Okay, brand new washer and dryer. Brand new heating system. Okay, brand new washer and dryer. Brand new heating system. All right, now on the other side of here, also we have a hot water heater, which is in good condition as well. No major problems. I think it's only maybe a year or 2 old. Okay, and then what I really love about the home that I think is great is you can have your own separate entrance, right? In-law potential. Okay, this is walkout basement looking out to the rear yard, which we're going to go out there in a moment. Okay, full room here that includes, okay, a shower and full bath. So here's your 2nd full bath. Here's your 2nd shower here, all right? So now if I'm over here, okay, this is the lower level in-law potential. And if we walk out, right to the rear yard, well, look at how beautiful. So first off, you do see your brand new central air conditioning unit, okay? And here's the rear yard. Look at how beautiful it is. And so once again, this house is in move-in condition. Okay, you have plenty of privacy. It's set back from the road. So if you were to go look up this house, okay, it's 1190 Meriden Road in Waterbury. You might be like, oh my goodness, well, that's a busy street. Well, once again, this home is set back. All right, it's set back from the road. That deck is going to be repainted before a closing. If you have more questions about this home, well, it's listed for $324,900. Is the seller a little bit flexible? Yes, he is. Okay, it has 3 bedrooms, it has 2 baths, it has over 1,800 square feet of finished area between the main level and the lower level, and you have a brand new roof. You have a brand new heating system. You have a brand new windows all throughout the whole home. You have a brand new air conditioning. So if you like what you see here, of course, some likes and some shares would be excellent. And then at the same time, all you need to do is DM me or call me, Rob Rosa, 860-558-2122. This listing is being powered by my team, the Rob Rosa team. We're an award-winning team in the entire nation. We're in the top 1.5% of the Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices network. And we are ready to help you every step of the way, my friends. All right? So all you need to do is reach out to me. You let me know whatever questions you may have, and I will help you out every step of the way. You can call me, Rob Rosa, 860-558-2122. So I appreciate you. I hope you're having an 82122. So I appreciate you. I hope you're having an absolutely amazing day. This is one of my newest listings. It's available for you to move right in. God bless you, and we'll talk to you soon, my friends. Bye.